Kuka Robotics are here. We're demonstrating our virtual reality software. Essentially what this is we can simulate an environment. So a business that might be looking to adopt automation and may not have a conception of what it may look like in situ, we can actually develop some software where we can build a virtual environment so we can reflect their operations, and then we can place robotics in strategic points where they think automation may provide some return, and they can actually see how the robots can perform and how it can benefit their operations. From an Industry 4 perspective, the tools for Industry 4.0 have always been there. We're just trying to re-educate people about how they can better use them, better utilise them. So increase product throughput, improve quality output, and basically add value to their operations. Manufacturers should essentially be looking at ways that they can increase value for their customers. So if we think about lean manufacturing, we've got environments these days that are producing millions and millions of generic items. Lean manufacturing these days means that consumers are getting more choosy, they're getting more demanding about the products that they want. So as opposed to producing thousands of the same item, manufacturers are having to kind of go back to the drawing board and think about how they can manufacture 2, 3 unique items for a number of different clients.